Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Revitalize your painting projects with the Von Forn 700-watt paint sprayer. A versatile tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned professionals. This sprayer comes equipped with 4 interchangeable nozzles that make tackling everything from furniture and doors to walls and garden tables a breeze. Its 3 adjustable spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, offer the flexibility needed for a variety of surfaces and effects. Before you begin, simply attach the dust blowing joint to clear away debris for a flawless finish. When your project is done, connect the cleaning accessory to your faucet to flush out any residual paint, ensuring effortless maintenance. Assembly is tool-free and straightforward, so even beginners can get started quickly. Plus, the included cleaning brush and needle help you keep the nozzle spotless, while the adjustable flow control knob lets you manage the paint output to achieve the perfect balance between coverage and efficiency. Revitalize your gardening routine with the Joe HJ604C cordless grass shear, a must-have for anyone managing a small garden or tending to detailed hedge work. Ideal for those tricky spots where your mower can't reach, this versatile tool seamlessly switches from a grass shear to a hedger in seconds, adapting to all your outdoor trimming needs. Its 7.2 volts rechargeable lithium-ion battery delivers hassle-free, cordless operation, so you're never held back by a cord or power outlet. Built with durability in mind, yet lightweight enough for easy maneuvering, the HJ604C features an ergonomic handle that offers superb control and comfort. Whether you're refining garden borders or sculpting intricate hedges, this shear provides efficient, precise results, making every gardening task a breeze. Introducing the GALAX PRO Circular Saw, a versatile powerhouse built to handle a wide array of materials with both speed and precision. Equipped with a robust 4.5-inch blade that whirls at 3,400 RPM under no load, this tool makes quick work of wood, soft metals, tile, drywall, plastic, and more. Its efficient 20-volt battery powers variable speeds up to 3,200 SPM, ensuring smooth, controlled cuts through wood, pipes, and metals alike. One of the standout features is the adjustable trigger control, which lets you easily fine-tune the speed based on how much pressure you apply, perfect for tailoring performance to each specific task. The circular saw is designed with a double protection switch to prevent accidental startups, while its reciprocating saw function comes with a handy lock-on button, so you no longer need to hold down the trigger continuously. This thoughtful combination of performance, flexibility, and safety makes the GALAX Pro an excellent choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Looking for a versatile finish nailer that makes every project a breeze? It accepts 16-gauge glue collated straight finish nails, ranging from 1 nits to 2.5 inches, giving you the flexibility to work with various materials and designs. Built with a one-piece hardened steel drive blade, this tool combines rugged durability with a lightweight design that's comfortable enough for extended use. Adjusting the nail depth is as simple as turning the manual wheel, and if a nail jams, the easy access clearing feature ensures you can get back to work in no time. The SFN64 Pneumatic is designed to tackle a wide range of tasks from elegant trim and furniture detailing to rail and crown molding, window casings, door installations, baseboards, chair rails, picture frame assembly, and even your favorite craft projects. Plus, its smart design directs air away from your face, helping to reduce fatigue and protect your work surfaces while delivering professional results every time. Revitalize your chainsaw's performance with this impressive 3-pack of 12-inch, 3/8-inch LP pitch, 0.043-inch gauge chains, featuring 45 drive lengths and a semi-chisel design. Built to meet stringent safety standards, these low kickback chains have passed rigorous testing giving you confidence on every cut. Manufactured using premium German steel with precise heating temperature control and an advanced punching system, these chains deliver exceptional toughness and flatness. The hardened, quenched rivets not only resist wear, but also help stabilize chain tension. Enhanced by Japanese chrome-plated technology, each cutter is expertly ground and cold-headed with rotary machines to achieve unrivaled sharpness. Plus, the protective oil coating guards against corrosion, ensuring lasting durability in even the toughest conditions. Before installation, check your owner's manual or the guide bar's side stamp for the correct pitch, gauge, length, and drive link count. For any questions, simply reach out to KK Customer Support with your chainsaw or bar part number. We're always here to help. Take your skills to the next level with this advanced power tool kit. Our newly improved impact driver delivers an impressive 250 newton-meters of torque and reaches speeds of up to 2,900 RPM, making fast fastening and fast disassembly a seamless experience in any work environment. Built for reliability, these bits are forged from high-strength S2 alloy steel. This means they not only withstand high torque without breaking, but also outperform conventional CRV bits, providing peace of mind even in the harshest conditions. Built to last, our 6-inch, 2.68-pound wrench features a built-in LED work light and a convenient belt clip, ensuring you maintain precision even in tight or dark spaces. With a universal 1/4-inch chuck, the impact driver easily accepts most drill bits on the market, adapting easily to a variety of tasks. And with the powerful 20-volt battery pack from the Titan series powering the entire product line, you can keep your momentum going without worrying about frequent battery changes. Discover a modern solution for easy access to hidden spaces. These versatile access panels are designed to provide easy access to plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and ductwork hidden behind walls and ceilings. With clever concealed hinges, these panels open smoothly to reveal valves, wiring, or ductwork, ensuring maintenance is both simple and discreet. Made from UV-stabilized, high-impact styrene, these access doors are engineered to resist fading and corrosion, even when used outdoors. Installation is easy, making it the perfect DIY project. The panels are reversible, allowing for flush or surface mounting, and they are a standalone unit with no additional frames, screws, or fasteners required. You can even customize the color to match your decor, while the textured surface ensures improved adhesion. Suteck drywall access panels streamline repairs and keep your space both functional and stylish. Meet the DT20 Digital Tape Measure, a revolutionary tool that blends speed and precision for every project. With Milas's patented PowerBrus digital display, you get instant, accurate readings the moment you extend the tape, ensuring reliable results every time. Its Class 2 laser offers safe, pinpoint accuracy for all tasks. Designed with portability in mind, the DT20 is slim, lightweight, and comes equipped with wrist straps and a back clip, making it perfect for use on scaffolds, ladders, or other high platforms. Whether you're an interior designer, builder, or surveyor, it tackles spaces from apartments to warehouses with ease. Its rugged, impact-absorbing construction, secure tape lock, dual measurement modes, 20-value memory, and both English and metric units set a new standard for efficiency. Engineered with advanced optical decoding and error correction, this tape measure ensures industry-leading stability and precision. Enhance your creative projects with Kisswheel rotary blades, your ultimate partner for precision cutting. Expertly engineered to fit all Fiskars 45mm rotary blades, these blades are ideal for quilting, sewing, and a wide range of DIY projects. Crafted from high-quality Japanese steel, each blade undergoes a meticulous 4-stage sharpening process, ensuring the blade stays sharper for longer and cuts confidently through up to 10 layers of fabric at a time. Reinforced with tungsten alloy, these blades offer exceptional durability and wear resistance, while specialist lubricants and customized carrying cases help maintain peak performance until you're ready to use them. If you find the blade does not perform to your expectations, please do not hesitate to contact us. Your complete satisfaction is our top priority. So click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Elevate your woodworking with the versatile wood milling toolset, a router kit built to handle a myriad of tasks with precision. Perfect for everything, so this tool is a must-have for any serious craftsman. Crafted with durable aluminum, it features two specialized bases, a fixed base with elegant wooden handles for reliable stability, and a plunge base equipped with a soft grip handle for enhanced comfort. The ergonomically rounded hardwood handles improve control, while microfine bit depth adjustments let you fine-tune every cut. With its integrated constant response circuitry, the 16.7 EVSPK maintains a steady speed throughout your work, delivering cleaner, more accurate results. Adjustable speed settings further optimize power, and the complete accessory package including both bases, 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collet chucks, shaft and collet nut wrenches, chip shields, and a handy carrying case ensures you're ready for any project. Elevate your DIY projects with this versatile set of trunking scissors, meticulously engineered for both precision and endurance. The robust, ultra-sharp blade effortlessly tackles chamfers, round molds, PVC strips, rubber gaskets, molding, and weathersping, delivering clean, accurate cuts every time. A clearly marked, finely etched scale surface ensures you can line up your work with confidence, while an adjustable slider offers a flexible cutting angle from 45 degrees to 135 degrees, perfect for tailoring trunking to your specific design needs. Crafted for long-term comfort, the integrated handle combines lightweight aluminum alloy with a PPC anti-skid cover to provide a secure grip that minimizes fatigue during extended use. The convenient turn clasp closure is designed for ease and safety, preventing accidental contact with the blade. For added value, the set comes with an extra spare heavy-duty replaceable blade, ensuring you're always ready for your next project.